guys, me again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another vlog. So for today's video, we are on the way on Cobar because my husband he have a meeting on Saturday or Sunday in Aramco. Kasi alam ko magkakaroon siya ng project na inshallah makuha niya yung project na yun sa Aramco. And we are only 1 hour more and then we will arrive to Cobar. Nag-book na rin kami ng hotel doon. So we will stay there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And Tuesday we are coming back to Riyadh. So yun lang guys, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Stop kami dito along the way. Ayan, nag-stop si Mahabi dito kasi mag-take siya ng picture sa mga camera. Ayun, daming camera. Ayun si husband, oh. Papakita daw niya kay Jaira yung camera. I called them, but he's not answering to show them the camera. Dami niyang camera. Yan. Yan ang dami. Nakakatuwa. Ayun si husband, oh. Kahit mainit, sige sa picture. When we arrive in the Cobar, maybe just we will stay in the hotel first, just relax, and then we go out at to eat dinner. Actually, hindi pa rin kami nag-lunch. Nagkain na kami ng breakfast dito sa bar. So, yun lang yun. Arrive at the hotel, and then the bossing he said just we will stay here for the hotel for a while, and then at night we will eat dinner, and then we will go to this Itra in the picture. We already booked a ticket for 35 reals each. Yeah. We are here now at the hotel, so take a look lang. Konting pakita lang ng hotel lobby. So dun yung kitchen. Yan, dun yung breakfast. So, ito yung labas niya. Oh. Habi, smile. This is video. Go, go.
Alhamdulillah. Shall I go backwards?
No.
Like this? It's good.
Going to hotel room. Yun na.
At the corner. في iron board.
كله موجود.
بسم الله.
بسم الله. Nothing. Because we are in the first
Do you
floor.
want to see me the other side?
No, because we are in the first floor.
Good. You shower here.
Yeah.
With the shampoo and everything, and also you
The
have
blower.
You have anything with a video?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is Itra here in Cobar. So this is the main entrance. Yan. So ang ganda niya. Pwede kang umupo-upo. Kaso lang mainit, napaka-humid yan. Meron silang mga beanbag, chair. Pwede kang umupo. Ayan siya. Ito yung garden. Ayan. Ayan si husband, syempre, picture-picture. We are here now inside the museum in Itra. Napakadaming tao kasi meron palang children festival today until tomorrow. So ticket lang, book lang kami ng ticket online for 35 SR. Yan siya. So pagpasok mo dito, ito yung makikita mo first sa entrance. Yung calligraphies na ito na artista. Essential sa PowerPoint. So ayan siya. Mga arts. Ayan. Art. So yung mga art. What is this? It's like a simple paper kida, like that they put it in the frame.
Yeah, but this type of paper is what are they? Look, it's
Ang ganda niya, oh. Tela. Ang ganda naman nito. Ang galing. Parang Pilipinas din, naghahabi ng tela. Parang nakakatakot sila. Nakakatakot sila mga tingnan. Hmm. Kitang wedding dress. Ayun. Tapos ito, fashionista. Fashionista outfit. Ayan. Naalala ko na nagpunta kami sa US, sa Amerika, parang ganito din siya. Octopus, nakakatakot. We are done today. Pagod. Uwi na ng hotel. Papahinga. Bali kumain na rin kami ng dinner dito sa Ruya restaurant. Turkish restaurant. A little bit expensive pero sulit naman yung food. Masarap siya. Good for 2 na yun. Bali binayaran namin is 272 reals for 2. Okay lang yun. So, thank you for watching guys and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye!